Hi friends, I am Rahul. Today I am going to tell you how to set up password for USB. First of all, insert your USB and open this PC. Now right click on your USB and click on show more option. And click on turn on BitLocker and select use password to unlock this drive. After selecting enter your password and again re-enter the same password in the second box. Then click on Next. Now click on Save to a file and select the location to save the recovery key. Then click on Next. Again click on Next. Once again click on Next. Finally click on Start Encrypting. It may take some time. After finishing click on Close. And restart your PC. After restarting you can see that when I open my USB it asks me the password. In case if you forgot the password then don't worry, open the recovery file, and copy the recovery key, and open the USB, and click on more options. Then click on enter recover key, and paste your recovery key, and you can open your USB. If you want to remove the password for the USB, right click on the USB drive and click on show more. Then click on Manage BitLocker. After clicking you can see a new window. Click on Turn off BitLocker. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe.